Okay, 12.2, determining payroll tax withholding. So essentially what we're figuring out here is the amount of money that is taken out of everybody's paycheck, like for those of you guys that have jobs. Okay, so in order to do this particular problem, you guys are going to need to get familiar with the tax tables that are on page 347 and 348 in your book. So make sure when you're doing 12.2 that you've got your book close by there. Okay, so that'll make a difference when we're looking here at marital status, because that'll determine the table that we use. The married tax table is on 348, and the people that are filing singly is on 347. So here we go. For each employee, determine the federal income tax that must be withheld. Use the tax tables, like I said, that are found in your book. So what we do is we go find them. I can't show you guys this, so I'll probably just have to do it in class. So for this person, Eric Bates is filing as a married person. So we got to go to 348 there. We've got to go find on the left-hand side where it says if wages are at least but less than. So we find $1,090, and that is between the 1080 and 1100. Okay, so we find that. We find that he has 1080 and 1100. So we find that on the tax table, and he has two allowances that he's withholding. So for him, we find that his federal income tax withholding is $50. Okay, so for his Social Security, I find that over here, it's 6.2%. So I put that into my calculator as 0.062, because that's 6.2% expressed as a decimal form. And I multiply that by his total earnings, and I get $67.58 for Social Security. Medicare is the same. We've got 1.45%, so I express that again, 0.0145. Multiply that again by his total earnings, and I get $15.81, because I'm going to round that, so $15.81. Okay, so for him, for Jason, the process is the same. I'm going to use the table on 347 this time, since he's filing as a single person. His number of allowances are number 1, so his federal income tax withholding is $77. The process is the same for finding his, so we do 0.062%, multiply that by his total earnings, $840 in this case, and I get $52.08. Clear that, 0.0145, oops, extra 0, 0.0145, multiply by 840, $12.18 is what we've got here. Okay, Christy's filing as a married person. She's got 3 withholdings, or with allowances withheld. So hers is $31. We do her calculation, and we get $63.24. And her Medicare is $14.79. Sharon is a single person, so we use 347. Hers is $79. 76, and 14.21. Okay, so that's how we figure out their federal income tax withholding. You use your tables, and then Social Security tax and Medicare, we put our numbers in as the percents, we put them in as a decimal, and then we multiply it by their total earnings. So that's 11.2 or 12.2.